What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Good news, my wing mounts are supposedly delivered. So FedEx said that they came this morning, so I just got back and we're gonna check them out. If I can open the door. Alright, where's my mounts? They are not here and a little bit confused. Let me call FedEx and figure out where they're at. So hopefully we'll get them soon because that wing is sitting in there and it is looking fire. So we need to get that thing on the car right now.
Day 2, day 3, day 4.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to another video. Basically, you know, I ordered wing mounts from BCL, Big Country Labs, and it's been a clusterfuck trying to get them. They got shipped last week. Apparently FedEx took them to the wrong place, but said they delivered it to my house. I have been on the phone with FedEx for the past 3 days. Every single time they tell me that they sent a driver out to go pick up my package and get it to me and all of that. And called again today, which is the 3rd day, and they had no fucking clue what I was talking about. They're like, well, we're gonna have to see if we can get a driver to go to the address and go get it. After being on the phone for about an hour with them today, they finally told me the address this thing went to. We're gonna go over there, see if anybody's there, and see if they can just give it to me. Because FedEx thinks they'll have it to me by next week, and that's just a big negative. I'm not dealing with that. So we're gonna go try to get it. The address is fucking 10 minutes away from the house. So let's see if they're gonna be there or not. Basically, FedEx dropped the ball on this and they have really screwed up. So I'm never shipping anything with FedEx again because this is just retarded. And supposedly it's the first time it's happened to them, but I really don't care because I paid to have like my parts on time, paid to have my parts when I wanted them to, and I don't feel like dealing with FedEx and being the logistical manager for everybody. So let's go see if we can get my stuff.
20 minutes later.
Alright, good news, guys. So that house that I went to, the people were really nice, and turns out that guy's name is James Wood as well, and he lives in Pendleton, and he's 10 minutes from my house. We've got our mounts, and they are good to go. So hopefully tonight or tomorrow, Ty and I can get together and work on installing the wing and get it on there and good to go. But thank you to FedEx for basically screwing this up, but also your station manager, who probably thought it was easier for me to go get it myself, just gave me the address, so I'm very thankful for that. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This morning we are heading over to Lowe's because I've got to get some hardware, which means we're doing one thing, and we're going to slap the wing on the FC. So I've got all of our brackets, all of our mounts. We just need to get some new hardware. The old owners did not use nice hardware on it, so we're gonna fix that. Ty's heading over to the house in about 20 minutes, so I better get to Lowe's, buy all the stuff we need, and head home to meet him. Then him and I'll knock this whole deal out. So hopefully it'll be relatively fast. It's just a lot of measuring, and then measure a lot, cut once. Measure twice, cut once. And then we should have a wing on. So let's go to Lowe's, get the hardware, we'll go back, meet Ty, and then we'll figure out the game plan. Lowe's trip done, 20 bucks later in hardware, and another 20 bucks later for a new set of drill bits, because we've broken a lot of mine over the years. While we are driving home, what are you guys doing on y'all's cars today? Remember to go in the comment section, let me know what y'all are working on this weekend, let me know what your plans are. Our plans probably include this wing and boating and the gym. So That's most likely what's gonna happen this weekend with us, which should be a good time. Back at the house, Ty is working on marking out some brackets for us that I gotta drill for the wing mounts, and I am drilling this other guy right now. And once we get those done, we'll start building the rest of the wing. We got our brackets drilled out. Ty's tightening them down on the wing.
Temporarily.
Yep. We're probably gonna have to drill more holes on the wing mounts because the angle that that thing's coming out at is kind of scaring me. So Ty's going to put the mounts on, and I'm going to pull our old wing off. I know some of you guys have wanted this. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but if I sell it, I'll let y'all know. Our factory wing is off. Ty's still fucking with this thing, but we're getting there. So we're having a small problem with our wing setup. Just everything is pieced together and secondhand and used, so it's not really meant for the FC. We're just kind of making it work. And right now one side's good, the other side's a little angled, and we're just trying to get our measurements right and figure out what we got to do to fix this.
You can actually see it. See?
Yeah.
Perpendicular. It's like off on a 10-degree angle.
So it's the problem with this mount.
Yeah, and we can get a little bit, but not much. We're gonna have to really slot those or just make adjustments in the final stand.
Okay.
Yeah. Because you can't really get the much, because then you're gonna be hitting
Not
here.
good. Yeah. We are back to the video. I apologize, the camera died, and then we just kind of got really focused on doing stuff, so I didn't get as much footage as I wanted to show you. So overall, this thing turned out better than I thought. Restoring the element turned out better than I thought. The mounts are great. We had to fight the mounts a little bit, but we got them to work. The wing overall looks amazing. I'm super pumped. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this was kind of a used kit we pieced together. The element, the mounts for the wing, and the stanchions all came together, and then I had to get the trunk mounts for my car from Big Country Labs. Now, I don't even know if the stanchions are, I don't even know what these things are for. Probably have to get new stanchions down the road, but it worked. It took some finagling and some trying and some rigging, but overall we have a GT Wing and I am super pumped about it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like if you enjoyed it, comment, let me know what you guys think about the Wing in the comments. I'm super pumped to get the new tires on here. I'm going to take it down to kind of our local driving road that I use to test a lot of the cars on, and we'll test it, see how the car feels. We might have to change either the angle of attack on the Wing or the angle of the splitter depending on how it drives, but we'll see what happens and we'll go from there. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're a long-time subscriber, thank you guys for the support and we will see you next time. Bye.